Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can fix all of your Wi-Fi related problems on your TCL Android TV. So to fix all of the problems, you can simply go to the settings on the top right corner and you can go to Internet, Network and Internet settings. After that, if you are connected to the Wi-Fi, then you should disconnect the Wi-Fi and forget the network by clicking OK. And you can scroll down and you can forget the network and try to connect it again. After doing that, what else you can do is you can turn off the Wi-Fi switch and turn it back on. So this will refresh your Wi-Fi switch and hopefully fix any issue that was previously you were facing. So these are the two things that you can do. Other than that, what you could do is you can turn off your TCL Smart TV completely by unplugging the cord from the wall and then plugging it again after 30 seconds. And then you should try to connect your Wi-Fi and it should resolve all of your issues. So I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.